Hello everyone and welcome to the Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I'll show you methods to extract transparent text from your video or even audio. So let's get started. Method 1 is to using YouTube and DownSub, easiest method. If your video is already uploaded to YouTube, this is one of the easiest methods. Simply copy the link of the video, then head over to downsub.com. Paste the link into the input box and click the download button. DownSub will generate a list of all available subtitles for that video. You can download them either as plain text or as a subtitle file with the SRT extension. But what if the video has no subtitles or is stored locally on your PC? If the video doesn't have subtitles on YouTube or is saved locally on your computer, there's another method you can try. Some people suggest playing the video on your PC and using your mobile phone with a text editor app and voice typing enabled. This way, the phone will convert the audio into text in real time. It's a simple and effective method, especially for short videos. ChatGPT might suggest software like Veed.io or Whisper AI, but both have limitations in their free versions. So now I'll show you a completely free method using a software called BuzzCaptions. I'll leave the download link in the video description. Just scroll down to the Assets section and download the version you need for Windows or Mac. The best thing about BuzzCaptions is its versatility. It allows you to generate accurate transcripts from both local audio or video files and online links. Whether you're working with recordings stored on your computer or content hosted online, it also supports multiple transcription models, from faster, lightweight versions to highly accurate, larger models, letting you balance speed and precision. Additional features include live transcription via your microphone, language auto-detection, word-level timing for perfectly synced captions, and a command line interface for automation and scripting. Once you've downloaded and installed BuzzCaptions, you're ready to get started. Let's take a look at how the software works. The interface is simple and user-friendly. From the File menu, you can either choose to import a file or paste a link, or simply drag and drop your media file directly into the software. After loading your file, a window will appear with options. You can keep the default transcription model. I use this all the time and it works great. You also have the option to switch the task from transcribe to translate if you want to convert speech into another language. You can select the language of the audio or let the software detect it automatically. One important setting is word-level timings. I don't recommend enabling this if you want subtitles for regular watching because it can be too detailed, but it can be very useful for short videos like reels or clips where precise timing matters. Finally, choose your preferred export format. You can export the output as plain text, an SRT subtitle file, or even a VTT file. When you're ready, click Run and let BuzzCaptions do its magic. And here you have your transcript or subtitles ready to use. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Tech Upskill channel. This is the 7th video in our WordPress automation series using Fluent CRM. You can view the transcript with timestamps or as plain text and export it directly from the software. By default, Buzz saves the exported files in the same location as the original file. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or want me to create a tutorial on anything else, just leave a comment below. I'm always happy to help. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.